Hello everybody, it's CrankyLockPicker here. Today I've got a lock that's made in France. Apologies for the mispronunciation, I'm sure, but it's a Surex or Surex 40. I do have a key. It's a bit beaten up, but I do have a key. And that's the bitting, if it'll focus. Okay, so it works. So, let's bob it in the vise. So I've been seeing videos recently about using different picks, rather than going for your normal one. My first choice is the monkey paw. I do like that one. I find it quite easy to use and to open locks with. But today I'm going to use one that I don't normally use, which is Medusa. I find it's okay, but the problem I have is with it being the point, the tip. Sometimes I find I slip off the pins. But let's give it a go. See what we can do. So there we go. So let's go to the back. This one. Keep going. The back, some more forward. See that one there. Let's get that one there. I think I've just dropped some down. That's it. One at the front. That tip again. Again. So it's amazing how the locks become camera shy. Let's see what's holding it up. Start the back. There we are. Oh, it was open. There we are. There we are. Okay. So yeah, thought I'd give that a try. It was took a bit longer than normal, and it was probably already open and I didn't realise, but there we are. Hope you enjoyed that. Just want to say again as well, hashtag, bring back Starry Lock again. At this moment in time when I'm doing this, his channel is still not being put back on. Yeah, so let's get him back and get it back again. Okay, thanks everybody, take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye bye.